I'm Dr. Moosa from Excel Laser Vision Institute. A commonly asked question is the Contoura LASIK procedure longer as far as the duration of the procedure, and does it last as long as LASIK does? And simply put, there are some additional steps we do during the consultation, during the free consultation for Contoura LASIK, where we establish if you're a good candidate for Contoura. If you end up, if that ends up being the recommendation for you to do Contoura LASIK, we will then apply that information from the special machine onto the laser. So the procedure itself is not much extended in terms of time, but the results are as long as LASIK, which is a permanent procedure. So if that answers your question, we're obviously happy to establish your candidacy for laser eye surgery during our free LASIK consultation exam. Please look us up at exceleye.com. Thank you. We're excited to see you come visit us at our office at Excel Laser Vision Institute. We have locations in Los Angeles and Orange County. One of the great experiences you can have is our free comprehensive eye exam that's of no cost to you, but a consultation for LASIK that will establish your candidacy. We look forward to seeing you in the near future.